So one is when you people are working on any project, okay, so this is what the client is very clear when they are giving the work to you people. Now before you people can start with the work, you also will be having your own points to be clarified. So first thing is you will say, is there any specific products or services to be given a priority? Is that clear? One. Second thing is, okay, that is one thing. Second would be all these points are very clear targets, goals, who is your target audience, Bangalore, what is the budget involved and everything. Then you might ask, could you please share few competitors list? Is that clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So could you please share few competitors? So Sanup, you were asking this point. So what we'll do is we will not allow, or the client will not be allowed to, or you can say in the initial level discussion, sometimes the client may not share these details, but when you question them, they will try to answer you and try to give you the answer for this given question. Is that clear?
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay, so could you please share few competence lists? Third will be, okay, could you please, okay, share, okay, strong, few or main or major USPs of your business. This USPs means what is the strength of this given brand, for what point they stand strong so that they can compete well among the competitors. So that points, anyway, you are going to do the research, but while having a meeting with the client, you can ask the client saying, okay, what could be your strength that makes you stand strong in the market than to your competitors? So that is one thing. Would you please share major USPs of your business? And uh, would you would you mind sharing few important keywords from your perspective to be considered on priority? Is it clear? So this is a fourth point, and then you can even ask: Is there any other details that you would like to share with us to help in our online activities? Is that clear? Yeah. So once these points are being clarified with the client, you know that the client's point and your points both has been well taken care. Now you can go ahead and you can start with digital marketing activities. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes. So over here now, okay. So this is what. Could you please share a few competitors list and everything? Now, sometimes if the client is not sharing you who is your competitor and all, what you people can do is you people can also go to Google. Okay, there are two ways in which you have to look at the competitor list. One is you have to understand what is the most important business keyword for your brand. So for eMarket agency, the most important business keyword will be, okay, best digital marketing agency in Koromangala, let's say. Because Bangalore is quite broad. First, I want to see that in Koromangala, if anyone is searching for a best digital marketing agency, whether I am ranking well or not. So that is my first keyword. So the moment I put that keyword, you can see here, Porcoyo, then Just Dial I will not consider. There is one more company called SEO company Bangalore. Suleka also I'm not going to consider. Brand Story also no. Simply Hired no. Then we have got something called Pime, Paima Media Labs and everything. Then there is also one more company called digimarkagency.com and digitalcoursel.com. All those things are there. So the point here is I'm going to list it down over here. So those are, okay, digital coursel. Okay, then I'm media something and all, and then social panga, and then one two more. Okay, I did consider, and now could you please share major USPs of your business? Okay, our major USPs will be 15 years experience professions. Okay, then
What is USP, Ranjan?
unique selling propositions. What is your strength? Okay, what is your main strength which actually makes you unique to the market? Okay, so 18 bar 7 support we give. Then we have experience working for major industries across India, Australia, US. Okay, for this market. So these are some of the USPs because these are the points that tomorrow you will be using in your marketing promotions to get more customers for your business or for your services. Okay. So could you please share your USPs? Yes. So those are the things. Now, okay, one second, guys. Yeah. So, so this is one second. Yeah. So this is the client's expectation goals update. These are the answers and everything. This is client's reply. Okay. So expert clarification. Start with digital marketing. So would you mind sharing few important keywords from your perspective to be considered on priority? It could be digital marketing agency Koramangala. Okay, or you can say PPC services in Bangalore. Okay, Google AdWords services in Bangalore. SEO agency in Koramangala. So let's say these are my important keywords and everything. Okay, is there any other details that you would like to share with us to help in our online activities? Yes, that we are strong in PPC. So major focus can be put on PPC services and also SEO services. So we are strong in PPC and SEO. So major focus can be put to promote these two pages, PPC services, SEO services majorly. Okay, and this is what the team strength is: 15 years experience professionals, 18 bar 7 support we give in terms of campaign management. Then we have worked for major industries across IN, Australia, US, and everything. And there are a few more points while we are doing the work, we'll try to add it up. And who are your competitors? So when you're looking at the competitors, guys, you have two results. Whenever you're searching for best digital marketing agency in Koramangala, whenever you're searching for best digital marketing agency in Koramangala, you will see some PPC ads and you will see the SEO ads. So I would suggest you that do not consider the PPC ads to do a competitive analysis. It will be better that if you can consider this results for your competitor finalization, because the people who come to this level of ranking actually have taken a lot of pain. They have more clarity of doing a good work, and they have made very relevant content, very strong digital marketing activities. So they have come to the number one position of SEO. So if you consider them as your competitor and try to analyze their website, you will have much more learning than through PPC. Because in PPC, even if you are not there in the industry for a long time, even if your content is not specific, just by investing money also you can come to the top of the results. So when I come and search that particular page or review that particular page, it might happen that I do not find much of information that can make my competitive analysis work much more stronger or can give me a lot of learning. But if I refer the SEO results and if I consider the SEO ranking competitors, then they have more of input and understanding to make my marketing strategy stronger. So always for your competitors, I would suggest you that you should consider SEO first, but then if you're running a PPC campaign, also do consider who are your PPC competitors and how they have done the content, how they have done the website landing pages, how they are doing the marketing, what are the content they are given. All those things you can do it. So said that. So what is so the point here is The project, this is the client's project. They are giving it to you with every detail shared to you. Then you go through the website and you have some points which you would like to clarify. So you did all those clarifications and now you are ready to start with the digital marketing activities.